Cardiff Metropolitan Society, and today we're going to be doing a cook-off.
Me and Prin will be cooking adobo.
And we're going to be judged through 4 criteria by our lovely judges. So, may the best cook win!
2, 1, go!
Wow!
Hey, that's pretty good.
Eventually.
Hello, so I find the appearance a rating 4 out of 5.
Yeah, in terms of appearance, it looks really good. Very Filipino dish, so I give it a very strong 4.
Appearance, definitely a 4, 5.
It smells a little bit savory, so I'm gonna rate it 3 out of 5.
Aroma, yeah, it smells like chicken.
Smell, 4.
Chewy, but it's good, so about 3 out of 5.
Chicken, but I feel that it could be better by strong 3.
4. Taste, 5.
Appearance out of 5, that is about, it's 2 out of 5.
So I give it a strong 3.
Appearance, it wasn't as decorative as the other one, so I would give it, a 3.
I'll give it a 2 out of 5.
Not really strong, 2.
The smell. It smells like adobo, so...
Wow!
So I'll give it a 2 out of 5.
Bit sour, but it's still good. I'll give it a 3.
So I'll give that like a 3 as well.
2 very boring minutes later.
Hi guys, so after much deliberation, we are concluding that the winner of today's cook-off is Lady D. Cool. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.
This video was brought to you by one of the many university Filipino societies partnered with FiliFest in order to raise money for our fundraising campaign. If you would like to help make FiliFest 2020 happen, please visit justgiving.com/Philly-Fest or check the link in the description box. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future videos, and do follow us on social media. We are at FiliFest on Instagram and FiliFest on Facebook. Bye!